Hello lovelies and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara, and here I do skincare, makeup, hair care reviews and unboxings. Today I have something really special. This is my first PR box. Really never expected to get a PR box, so the fact that I got one is awesome. But the reason that it's so cool is that this is a small business, and they have entrusted me to show their products. And it's a small business seeing a small channel, and I just couldn't be more happy that they chose me. So all right, let's unbox this. So this is pure honey, and you guys have heard me talk about pure honey before. So let me just go ahead and show you the packaging. Cute little box. Open it, and it says, "Hello, Tara, your thrilling treats await." So it's a little Halloween. It says thrilling treats. I don't know if that's a sticker or just... All right. Okay, hang on. Desert your skin, pure honey. That's cool. Okay, so that's just a little business card. Okay. Oh, this looks awesome. So we've got Pure Honey Cosmetics Cursed Caramel Pumpkin Hydrating Body Oil. I've tried their body oils before. I've done the cherry cheesecake, and it was awesome. Oh, wow. That's good. That's good. Oh my gosh. It's like the whole enchilada. Okay. So next we have Cursed Caramel Pumpkin Foaming Body Scrub. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait. Like, I've got to go to work. I cannot wait to come home and use this. Oh, amazing. 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 Okay. So next we have Cursed Caramel Pumpkin Body Lotion. Hydrating and moisturizing. I think she just started making lotions, and I've seen a couple people already, saying that they're great. And then Wicked Watermelon Taffy Body Lotion. Awesome. Okay. So, I'm pretty sure... Oh, wow. And what is this? Okay, it's lotion. I shouldn't have put that other one on, because now I'm not going to really be able to... Yeah, I mean, that definitely smells like watermelon. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that she was supposed to give me a code to give to you guys so you guys could order. Now, it's not like with Truly, if you place an order, you get 15% off, and then I would make something, but to me, or for me to get a code for you guys, I get the PR box. That's what deal that is. So I'm not seeing where she has put a code in here. So I'm going to have to email her and ask her. I'm pretty sure that it's a her. I'm pretty sure that it's a female-owned business. Yeah, so I'm not seeing anything. I'm going to have to ask and find out what the code is, and make sure that, yeah, I mean, because I want you guys to be able to go over and order, and I want you to be able to have a certain percentage off. So, I'll email her and find out what the code is, and then I'll either make another video, maybe a review video after I use everything, and, I'll either make another video or I'll put it in the description on this one. I'll probably actually just do both. So, Pure Honey, man, that is some great smelling stuff. I cannot wait. Oh, I just opened that and it kind of went everywhere. I can't wait to use this stuff. This is going to be fun. And oh, that lotion, that feels really good. Oh, and it smells so good. I love stuff like this so much, because I just can't wear perfume, man. I try to wear even that Prada. I got that Prada, and it doesn't give me a bad migraine, but it just makes me feel a certain kind of way. I enjoy the smelling good, but I don't know, it messes with me. I don't know, there's something about perfume that I can't do it. I don't know why. Um so that's why I love this kind of thing, because I can have an actual scent that stays with me, especially when you use a body scrub, a lotion, a butter, a oil like that. Those scents stay with you, especially if you use the whole line. Okay, that's it. I'm off to work, so I'm gonna shut up now, and I'll see you guys in the next. And I'm gonna let you know what I used. Like, I used something for the first time in my hair, and I want to talk to you guys about it. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next. Bye.